Hey guys, welcome back to InfoTech. Today in this video we will see how to concatenate strings in Python. So in previous video we already seen Python how to modify strings in Python. So let's get started. Before going to the video, please subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. In this YouTube channel I am going to do all related about software, real-time projects, scenarios. So please subscribe to my channel so that you will never miss an update. Now open a new tab and type W3 Schools. So click on Tutorials, click on Learn Python. Here they are providing HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, Python, PHP, Bootstrap. All this you can learn from W3 Schools. So now in this tutorial series, we are concentrating on Python. So already we have seen Python introduction, syntax, comments, variables, data types, numbers, casting. So in Python strings, we already seen slicing strings, modify strings. Now we are going to see how to concatenate strings in Python in this video. So click on this. Now we will see this concept clearly and we will see these examples practically. So in Python, how to do string concatenation. To concatenate or combine two strings, we have to use plus operator. Usually in maths, plus means addition, 1 plus 1 equal to 2. So similarly in Python also, plus is the operator is used to concatenate string. So for example, merge variable A with variable B into variable C. So here A is the variable and we are assigning a string hello. B is a variable and we are assigning a value of string world. Now we have to concatenate variable A and variable B to the variable C. So C equal to A plus B. Now after concatenating, we are printing the value of C. So do you know what is the output? If you know what is the output of C, you please comment down below. Now here we are printing the value of C. We will see this example practically later. Now this is the second example. To add a space between them, like add a, this is the double quote symbol. Here a equal to, a is a variable, equal to hello is a string. We are assigning a value string hello to the variable a and we are assigning world to the variable b. So C is a variable, C equal to a plus, this is the space, plus b. So in the second example we are adding space between these two variables and later we are printing C value. So are you able to guess what is the output of this? If you know what is the output of this, so please comment down below. Now we will see this first example practically. Now click on write yourself. See, this is the output. Here A is hello, B is world. Now we are concatenating this A variable and B variable and printing C. So we are getting hello world. See here hello, no space between the hello and world. It is printing simply hello world. Now in the second example, click on write yourself. Here, second example, we are giving space between this variable A and variable B. So, we are getting output as hello space world. This is the exact output because we don't want to combine hello and world like this previously in the first example. Because hello is different word and world is different word. So, we should not combine them. So we need to add space between them. So we added space like this. To add space between the two variables, two strings, we need to use two double quote symbols like this. Then we will get space between these two strings like this. This is the concept of concatenation of strings, the Python. So in the later classes, we will see how to do format strings, escape characters, string methods, string exercises we will do in later classes. And after that, we will see all these concepts one by one, like Python booleans, Python operators, list, tuple, set, dictionaries, if else, while loop. All these concepts we will do one by one. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the bell icon so that you will never miss an update. Until then, keep coding, keep learning. If you have any questions, please comment down below.